privilege for me to welcome your very first roaster, Albus Dumbledore.
I'm cool now. Good to be here. Let's get right into it. My friend Severus Snape is here. Please give it up for my friend Severus Snape. Now, Harry has an owl named Hedwig, and that explains what is going on top of Snape right now. Is the wig wearing the head? Is the head wearing the wig? Severus Snape answers the question, what if Trent Reznor sold 9 Inch Nails at Home Depot? But a very good man, was in love with Harry's mother, Lily, and she did not return his affections, and married the man who tormented him constantly, and he stayed in love with her. Boy, I thought I was gay. I know! No, but he's a good man. He said he stayed in love with her even though she did not return his affections, and he looked after her son and died for him, which shows you there is no greater magic that exists in the world than withholding pussy. That is the greatest. Voldemort is here. Please give it up for Voldemort. An offensively white man. Very offensively white. He needs to moisturize. I've seen phoenixes rise from less ashes than Voldemort. Voldemort answers the question, what if Floyd Mayweather was the color white and lost all of his fights by getting punched directly in the nose?
Nice!
He is a white man, as I said, which we don't like. He's a white man with a 12-foot-long snake named Nagini, because calling her Corvette would have been too on the nose. The nose that he does not, you don't have a fucking nose. He doesn't have a nose. Voldemort answers the question that we all have to ask ourselves. Shall we die as good men, or live forever as a cunty porpoise? And then... Draco Malfoy.
What?
A boy who clearly acts like his father had prettier hair than his mother. Draco answers the question, what if you had unprotected sex with an expired bottle of peroxide, shook it up real good, and poured it on a pile of dog shit during a lightning storm? I never really thought of Draco as an evil wizard as much as a mean waiter. That's the way I always see it. Very mediocre man. When the Sorting Hat was placing students in their houses, I was very surprised that for Draco, he said Slytherin and not Outback Steak. You know? But seriously, give a round of applause for Draco because he did not commit that mass spelling that we all thought he would commit. And it's mass shooting that was wrong. Hermione is here. Give it up for Hermione. Barely made it. Barely made it. The most intelligent student in her class. An intelligent lady. And like all intelligent ladies, she married the dumbest friend that she had. Because with her intelligence, she said, you know what? Both my parents are non-magical. How do I dilute these genes even more? Oh look, a pasty redhead. Let's do that and create Twilight fans. Why not? Special Ed Sheeran, as they used to call him. Ron was named after his father, Ronald McDonald. But no, Ron has his place in an amazing trio because Harry was the greatest wizard, Hermione the most intelligent, and Ron had a rat that almost killed them all. If they are Destiny's Child, Harry is Beyonce, and Hermione's Kelly Rowland, and then Ron is child number 3. Who remembers her? Who remembers her? Harry Potter, we finally get to this man right here. Scarf over there. Scarface. Oh, you Scarface. Good old Scarface. That scar is ugly. You should have let Voldemort finish that swastika he was trying to draw.
You should have!
Harry is a great wizard. Harry is a great wizard. Because Harry said to himself, I am a great wizard. How do I dilute these genes? Oh, wait! Special Ed Sheeran has a sister! Let's put our stuff together and make some Percy Jackson fans! Gingers, they're sexy. Can't escape them. On the Quidditch court, the golden snitch could not escape Harry. But outside the court, Harry could not escape the red snatch. Do you understand? I had a line through it. I shouldn't have done that. Harry and I are both, we're the same but different. We're both afraid of the Dementors. Harry is afraid of the Dementors, the prison guards of Azkaban. I'm afraid of the Dementors, Draco Malfoy's band that specializes in emo trap. So.
Spotify, iTunes.
They're good. Offensive, but good. But Harry is truly amazing. I think the two things that impressed me the most about Harry in his time is that he freed Sirius Black from Azkaban. And then the greatest thing I've ever seen that I saw him do is he went through Hogwarts without making one Sirius Black friend. That is amazing. Because Harry can talk to snakes, but he can't talk that shit. You know what I mean? But thank you very much for having me. I always knew and I'll get out of here on this. I always knew he was special. Because the moment he walked into Hogwarts, I said to myself, I am not going to fuck that one. Thank you very much for having me here. Have a wonderful night.